Hey, what's going on, boys and girls? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make paper stencils for screen printing using a craft cutter. You can also do it with just a craft knife or something. If you do it that way, you just have to print out the design that you want to use and then just cut it out by hand. It's kind of hard to get it right, but with a bit of practice I'm sure you can do it. But how we're going to do it today is we're going to use a craft cutter. I've got the Silhouette Portrait 2, I think. We're going to cover the paper with tape, just regular packaging tape, on both sides of the paper, and then we're going to cut off the excess tape on the edges, and then we're just going to put our put this piece of paper onto our craft mat that we put I think it's called a cutting mat actually, that we put into the craft cutter. We're going to load it in, and then we are going to cut our design out. And also another thing is that every part of the design is like for text, for example, it's going to have to join up, if that makes sense. So there's certain fonts that you'll need to use. Gunplay is the font that I'm using here. So after we've cut our stencil, now we can take the parts out that we want to print, and then we want to go and put the stencil, we want to line it up with our t-shirt and figure out where we want to put it on the screen. What I did here was I just put the piece of paper down on the t-shirt, and then I taped off the area that goes around the paper so that no ink got through onto the t-shirt, just where we wanted it to be printed. And yeah, you can also just tape it to the screen if you want to do that. But I just put it on the t-shirt and then printed the design with some black water-based ink, and it turned out pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's probably more to add, but it seemed to work out pretty good. So gonna make some more, and just thought I'd share that with you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a like if you want, don't have to, and leave a comment below. I'll catch you guys later.